Traci Martin with Intech Freight Logistics, a certified MercuryGate value-added reseller integrator. This video is to demonstrate how to add a carrier contracted rate from the load board in MercuryGate. There are a couple of different ways you can do this from the load board. So the first one I will demonstrate is from the More Actions, Rates and Financials, Add Carrier Rate. It's going to bring up a box and ask you if you want to add a manual or a system rate. Since we're going to be showing a contract rate today, that would mean a system rate. So I'm going to say System and select OK. And now it's going to bring up a list of all the contract rates for this particular lane. I'm just going to go ahead and select MG Carrier 4, which would be our least cost, and save selected rate. And now, if we refresh our board here, you can see that load went from pending to rated. And if we select the load to go into the details of it, you can also see the cost of $262.50. And the carrier is MG Carrier 4. Another way this can be handled is just by selecting the blue button, Assign Rate. It's going to open up Assign Customer Rate and Assign Carrier Rate. Again, we're only adding a carrier contract rate, so I'm going to select the blue button for Assign Carrier Rate. This is going to take us to our source carriers, and we're doing from contract today. So once again, we have several different contracts that are pulling for this particular lane. I'm going to go ahead and select MG Carrier 1, select OK. And now I could have selected 3 different contracts, which would populate here. And then from this point, you could decide later which contract you would actually like to assign to this load. I'm going to go ahead and select this one. And then close. And close again. And now our board has refreshed and that load has gone from pending to rated. So if we select the details once again, we can see our total cost now, $2,236.62 for MG Carrier 1.
Feel free to leave any questions in the comments or email us at tms_solutions@intechlogistics.com. For more information on Intech's MercuryGate partnership, visit www.intechfreight-logistics.com/TMS. Please do give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to this channel to get future videos first. Thanks very much for watching.